everybody. I forgot to tell you all what my name was. My name is Liam Wood from Atlanta, Georgia, and this is Cat of the Future episode 4. It's called Meet Disco. So Disco is a cat that's very afraid. He's Rowan's brother, and compared to Galaxy and Rowan, we got Disco pretty recently, around October of 2013. And since this video is published today on March 9th, 2015, this cat is afraid of everything. I mean, I've already had him for about a year and a half, and he still won't even let me touch him. So, I've had Rowan for it took my cat Rowan for less than 3 months to get used to me. And his birthday is here in about 3 weeks. Well, 2.5 weeks. See you later. I hope you had fun with Disco. Bye.